Salesforce for beginners. Today I'm going to walk you through how to create a custom pick list and add it to a page layout. So for this example, I like to keep them kind of fun. Say your boss comes to you and says, hey, we need to start tracking our contacts' favorite beers. And so the best way to do that would probably be with a pick list. So the way to do that is from the home page, go to Navigate to Setup. And we're going to come down here and go under Customize. Under Customize, we'll choose the Contacts object and go down to Fields. So the first thing you do is you're going to select a new field, and we're going to scroll down here and we're going to choose Pick List. Now the field label is what is actually going to show up on the page layout. So we'll type in favorite beer here. And then I have a few that I've already kind of pasted so I don't have to go through typing it down there. So we'll put some of the usual suspects in there as well as the ubiquitous other field. Now in a later video I'm going to show you how to create a validation rule, and what that will allow you to do is that if your users enter other, we'll force them to enter in what that other value is into a text field. This will help you going forward with keeping your data pretty cleanly and not losing important data such as obviously all the different craft beers that are out there in the market. If you like, you can always put a description of what this field is and or help text right here, which actually shows up on the page layout. So I'll just put help text there for now. Then go next. Now here's very important. So here's where you're going to have field level security. Most of the time you're going to make the field visible to everybody within your org, depending whether or not you have separate record types. However, you may only want to make this field read-only for most users, except for those people who need to actually enter the data. So we're going to say the standard user as well as the system administrator both have access to read-write on this field. Now why that's important is you may have many users within your organization who can view contacts but should not be editing the information. And so this is a good choice for that scenario, is to use the read-only for most users except for the ones who are actually doing the data entry. We'll go ahead and use Select Next. Now here's where you have a chance to add it to multiple page layouts. Again, depending on who is looking at these records, say the marketing support team, they don't want to see this field on their page layout, and maybe it only needs to really be on the contact layout. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and deselect it from all layouts, and we'll add it individually after we save this new field. So I'm going to go to Save. And come down here, and there is our new custom field, favorite beer. Now what we'll want to do is we'll want to add it to a page layout where they've requested to see the field. So we'll come down here again under Setup, Contacts, Page Layouts, and then here's where you can view the page layout assignment. So I can see, okay, our standard user, basically everybody's using the contact layout, so that's the one that we're going to add it to. And so what we'll do is right under their birth date, we'll make sure that we add favorite beer there. And basically all you do is hover over it, click your mouse or keypad, drag it under birth date, and then you can use quick save if you want to do more edits, or you can just use save, and both will save that field to the contact layout. Now if I come over here and create a new contact, We'll just call our contact Sam Adams. And we'll see our new field here for favorite beer. And we'll just say Sam likes his own beers. Hit save, and there you go.